A. Always be kind in all you do. A gentle heart brings love to you. B. Bring your best smile where you go, because kindness spreads more than you know. C. Clean your mess and put things away. Caring for your space brightens your day. D. Do your best in big or small. Doing your best helps you stand tall. E. Everyone matters, treat them with care. Every friend needs kindness to share. F. Friends forgive and love to share. Friendship grows when we all care. G. Good manners show respect each day. Please and thank you go a long way. H. Help others whenever you can. Helping hands make a brighter plan. I. Include everyone in games you play, inviting new friends. Brightens their day. J. Just be honest, always be clear. Joy comes from trust with friends so dear. K. Keep on trying, don't quit halfway. Kindness and effort make a great day. L. Love everyone in all you do. Let your heart shine warm and true. And make good choices day and night. Moments turn magic when you choose right. And never give up when things get tough.
Yeah.
New strength grows when you stay strong enough. Oh, offer to help when someone feels blue. Open heart shine in all you do. P. Practice patience, wait your turn. Peaceful moments help us learn. Q. Quiet minds bring peace to all. Kindness makes life fun for all. R. Respect others' feelings in all you do. Remember, kindness come back to you. S. Say sorry when you've done wrong. It heals hearts and makes bonds strong. T. Take turns playing, be fair and true. Teamwork wins when all have to. U. Use kind words that lift friends high. Understanding hearts help worries fly. V. Value your family, treat them right. Voices of love make home shine bright. W. Work hard and do your best. Great things happen when you pass your test. X. Extra kindness makes the world bright. Extra caring brings more light. Why your words have power, use them with care. Your kindness brightens life everywhere. Z. Zoom into learning with happy hearts. Every lesson learned adds to your smarts. Well done, everyone. See you next time. Bye.
Subscribe for more.